Akwaba and Founder Gun and Sam TVGH so what frame Addo setting.
Ti o ka kire wo mu a me na kam ye minister kam be ko ho no e mo setting nyina out ye baby be ba ho e kina ye nye na putupuro unless that person who is going there no person what timi e condemn agenda 111 and that's exactly what they are doing.
Say omo condemn sa na hu say omo condemn agenda 111.
Give the dog a bad name you can't brofu and throw it away.
E bia no mo for say mo twentwen ho dodo. Bra no for say nkai say mutimi di wie no.
Oba ya yes am na me me refer. Oba ya na Eurojet project president Kofo kwaji loan. Was starting loan in I think April 2007. Woko na pass it through parliament. We say loan pass it through parliament yeah. Na dia kai nya na say obese sankrata bia akaka say finance yi ne credit facilities ni ade no. 8 years and ultimately we back 9 projects. Wa regional hospital. Kwabenya Ga South, Ga East. First Chufu Praso, Tepa, Nsoko, Konongo Odumasi. And Henibi, Salaga. And military hospital ni sewia. Send was me
when to me back okra.
And also the enye sebia ye to boy to sebia budget maya enye you know. A loan. It's about 500 or something million loan. Utimi ba kokra. Send ye buy no. Ya me say commission 7 out of it. Make us say 7 because your commission
Eurojet project.
Yes, the commission say we are nancy. Say we are the aka nyina say ombe connect electricity na aka bia e fe bi RMU. President Akufo-Addo ma yeto RMU no ma o say o mo fam connect. E come say the contractor no is serious o de ba connect. Na aye adwuma eye eno de eye external debt bi ye kaka ye loans no ho. But this one agenda 111 is from our own resources and I'm so happy that the president took that decision. It is hard here. First o ma kire immediate
e bia senka mo je besia nka mutimi wie ama ne ye adwuma tete
so make say bosia na duru say ye 80% of GDP
nti che say no na mo nso mo dwene o e ho na mo dwene say mo koje besia
enye de bia na koje bosia kakra ye ne entru boa no na ye timi awie miensa a ya pa ho ntoma a betimi awisu a mo onka say de mo ye no ye ntena se na mo nkire ye kwan mo fa so a mo nyae. You see, to be frank with you, also can be said it's 1.7 million.
Yeah.
Minimum bekunya sa figure free. Minimum because the total cost of agenda 111 ni nyina o kan bomu a total cost no and me be chechere mo nimem. O kan nyina bomu a 1.71 billion dollars.
1.71 billion
US dollars. O ka be ma the last source the last so a 1 point agenda 111. It is sanity. It me one no. I did 1.7 no. Now what can say a 1.717 628 392.088 into 1 billion 717 million 628,000 392.80 we any
nyina free Ghana
government funding. 1 direct budgetary allocation and 2 what you call the annual budgetary allocation formula ABFA. Or fund or CAPEX 20% of CAPEX ki win election na kamo year ka obohunu de besi aye no say bit me we in 10 we say one time ye ka say ye commission me san we no if free 2025 nyama ye adom na Ghana for ye adom na ke ba power ka every month bi anga bo say commission agenda 111 akọ o ka kire ye say nti 1.7 o kwoti 400 free man e ka say e say 1.7 nti 300 a year or the account we $300 million o say busa questions
nti se sanet ye de ne be ka say bia transition no more year transition no mamboa no bia mama no.
This document I'm telling you was given to the transition nti omo buy na share honorable Dr. Omaneboama and honorable Agboja. They were co-chair. In fact, Omaneboama was the co-chair of the President Committee on Transition. Only a question because Agena was in the presidency. And another co-chair from the minority side was Honorable Osechi Mesabo.
And Ghana Nina Sanka by this time. What you say? Like, I say hi, they are now calling me for money. Don't mind them all. And Ghana Nina by this maybe says, okay, me pe mahama sempa. Me pe NDC asem. NDC catch them says, me be dio me china me to abamo mo. Eduane bo beba form. Oko ready budget no. Ye ni line ba ko kure chere say eduane bo beba form 1 peso po. Entina etuo na me koto ma no sebio emfaso abaso amame ana ebio ye de abufuo akoto nkwase aba 2 eya mo amoye shipping edeko shipping edeba atemba ko esan da ho ne se se modin ba ekufo ado ne na aban ama shipping cost na akosoro dodo enti se nyame ya adom na se modin ba ye bema mo shipping no cost no aba form ye de radiase nyame ya adom mahama ba ya okweko reading the budget no there is not a single line oka say import duties are going to even be reduced, not a single line, not one line. The asunti ayokoto abadeba NDC ne say ekufu ado no shipping cost no too much. Enti osaje for John Mahame brana beje John Mahama ba na fei omra meje ya o se the way ya wo bo akwasiampa bra emfri ni tirimu no wo de sa akwasiampa bra na assign by the second John into akokasa the finance minister akokasa now so there is no one line in the budget ekacho say what import duty so the question still comes again mo amudi mirika and ekufu ado port ni kumpatro and the port ni ateswa mawana. He didn't even mention it in his budget. And kahumpo. Utie. And ka NDC ni dajuni humpo. Entimo anmuna sabi mutie brochire. Na sabi moka. Use car bi amodi kukontino. Moma mweni eko bre. President yoteswa. Na Ocean College School. Osia Hospitals. Osia Kwai. Osia siye yamai. Osia yamai. Moko mumujina ho. Ema mukwofu eko tu abeti oma. Ene. O container no kwa we free. One so already budget one family brochire for crown count. Already budget a brochure for crown count. Nanso obi a open ukure bia kwana koche MPP for your budget ya anytime bia we think about the people from the diaspora. Utie. We think about the people from the diaspora. Ya buy and you say yanya Ghana card. Adent na Ghana card ho benya enne kwesi apia me ko Ghana enya afei na me kwa akoye a visa na me kwa kotua $270 just to get a Ghana visa enne me ko Ghana me Ghana card enne ko Ghana free bonto systems et save sa 270 nanka olontoyo udi kotua e de akoma sebe visa for say yenja sa wankasa ukrom wakono enne Ghana card nti e save sa uti e brochire e support party a o se yenhye yemma Wellington boot no mo sebe yemma mabobo ya ne yemfa politank nsim uti e brochire e support sa because of bitterness and selfishness won ko awu force na wo de kono yemfa force no man ko yin free. What's Canada dia ubetua tax? What's America dia ubetua tax bi akase tua one kasa wo man Ghana tua tax yese ni efensie si o man na wo bo utu brezi esi o wonte hwe ena jimisam ena bebreti kromu ha ena yedie ena tamu saka dia mo hwe. Your name was not even mentioned in the budget. Ship no yamfamu po ama na dia wo wo mu ni say mo shippers board a guy no mo